client came to me last year in the fall and said, we need better reporting and I need a report every single day. I said, there is absolutely no way I'm sending you a report every single day. So let me look into it. And I probably tried five different other reporting softwares that are out there. I don't remember all of them, but I went through each one of them and tried to build the report, and it was really lacking, or it didn't have all of the data points that my clients needed. With your company, I was able to get those numbers right away, being able to have it all be automated. You can schedule when the emails go out, how often they go out. Like it's the customization is to the nth degree. You can change the data points, you can change so many different things and create these absolutely beautiful dashboards that is looking at all the data points that your client cares about. They just have thought of everything for this software, and it's a steal. I got all my clients on for $49 a month, but it's not only quicker, but a client gave me a task to pull all the data points from two different ad accounts, and that's a new feature that you just rolled out. So instead of going between two ad accounts all the time in order to get spend and number of clicks, I was able to combine them both inside of the program in one window and then just grab it and then fill out their spreadsheet because yeah, who I don't know anyone else that can combine data across multiple accounts, and that was extremely helpful, and it saved me a ton of time.